Today we're going to bring a sleepless mask, and this is a heated and cold mask too also. So right now the function comes with the heated, and also if you guys can see there's a little ice pack. You could set this up in the freezer, put it in there, and it has a little area indentation here where you could just put it in here. It's 3D dimensional shape, if you guys can see that, see what I'm talking about. So you could tighten it up as much as you want. That's an option. If you don't want it too tight, you could leave it alone as it is, but that's one of the functions, just as from any distraction or any kind of noise. You could avoid it by putting these on. The charging station, and then this thing is magnetic. So the way it works, you pretty much just clamp it in there in place. It's like a puzzle piece. See that there's indentations that actually belong there. You turn it on, you hold down the actual heat area, and it blinks up automatically. Now we have it to the highest. We're going to lower it down to the middle and then to the number 1. And then it goes back to the other function. Now to turn on the timer, it turns on 1 blink, it turns on 2 blinks, and there's 3 blinks. So the same thing, a couple of minutes, all right? 5, 10, 15, pretty much. You hold it down and then you turn it off, all right? That's pretty much what it works. Now to charge it, it's a Type-C charging station. No batteries required, built-in lithium batteries. All right, we're going to take a look at the inside of the actual mask, if you guys can see. It goes up to almost 100 in some areas, but it's if you guys can see, it's around the actual inside of the actual mask, and this is going to reflect the heat. It's not going to be super hot, and it cannot burn you because the little module is too small and not powerful enough, but it will reflect some heat, if you guys can see, and it will last you for a couple hours, all right, depending on your charge. So you could feel it right around this area in the ring. You can see the comparison with my hand, the heat. I'm like 90 to 87 right now. It's a little cold where I am, but you can actually physically see the mask. And this is inside the mask, and then the outside of the mask, you don't see too much of the heat, but the module is working. This is the actual module, and this is the actual mask, and you can feel it just a tiny bit, but everything is concentrated in the inside of the mask, all right? So I like this. It performs pretty good. So easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.